Hello, it's Nick, and in this video I want to talk about UI gradients and how we can create them in Figma. There are two ways we can create gradients, and the first one is use native tools that Figma offer. And in order to create a gradient, all we need to do is to create an object, then click Fill, and choose from the solid to gradient. And by default, Figma will create a linear gradient for us. Figma have four options of gradients, and the linear is by far the most popular one. It's easy to create a linear gradient. All we need to do is just to select the start color and the end color, and the Figma will create a smooth transition for us. The next one is a radial gradient, and as you can see, this gradient radiates outward from the central point and creates some kind of a sphere that we can also change in order to make it look different. Or we can also play with the different options such as the shape and size of the sphere. The next one is angular. Angular gradient utilizes the same principle of creating a gradient radiating from a center point, but it creates a circular pattern around that central point. And we can make it different, change it the sphere, or we can play with the angle here in a way to modify it. And the last one is a diamond. The diamond creates a color transition in a sphere of a diamond or rhombus. The most challenging part when creating a gradient is find the right colors. That's why if you want to find the great color combination, you can also try plugins. And in this video, I want to share a few plugins for creating gradients, and the first one is uiGradient. And in order to create a gradient using uiGradient, we need to create an object first, then activate the plugin, and then it will show us a collection of predefined gradients that we can use. And let's suppose we want to choose this one. And as you can see, this gradient is applied to the object. We can tweak it in a way we like. For example, change the start color, middle color, and basically this object is ready to use. The next plugin is called Mesh Gradients, and it allows us to create really interesting color combinations by playing with a number of mesh points. And it's also offer a few options that allow us to handle the transition from one color to another. For example, we can show the lines. Once we generate the gradient, it will create an image for us. So unlike the previous plugin that creates a style for the object, this one is an image that we can export, but it might not be really useful for some categories of tasks. And the last one is called Noisy Gradients. This plugin generates a really interesting, from visual point of view, gradient, and we can change the color, for example, and insert it. As you can see, there are little dots. They imitate the idea of noise, visual noise that image have. And same as the previous one, the Mesh Gradient plugin, this one also creates an image rather than the style for the object. So that's all. Thank you.